So we're going to create another query. And this one is going to join multiple tables. So the easiest way to do this is to do it in pieces or parts. And so the first part of this is we want to display the last name and the project number employees are working on. So we're going to be using the examples database, the employees table, and the projects table. So we're going to say use examples, and we're going to be doing a select, which I'll get to in a sec. And our table 1 is going to be our from table. So let's take a look at examples. And we said it was employees and projects. So this is what we've got for employees: employee ID, last name, first name, department number, and manager. And then under projects, we have project number and employee ID. So the field or the column that's in common is employee ID. And that happens to be a unique field in employees. So that is going to be table 1. And then we're going to make projects table 2. So after from, we are going to put employees. And what we want to do is include all employees and then list corresponding projects. If the employees don't have a project, it'll just say null. Okay, so that'll tell us which employees have projects, which ones don't. So we're going to do a left join on projects. Helps if you spell it correctly. And the field that they have in common is employee ID. Now we have to tell it what columns we want to display. And so we want last name, and we want project number. So let's go ahead and run it. And that's giving us all of the employees because it was a left join. The table 1 is going to include all of the data. And then if there is a project number, it displays it. If there isn't, you're going to see null. Now, in addition to seeing the employee and the project number, we also need to see the department because it's helpful to know what department these employees are in, especially if we have a new project and we want to assign people to that project. So the department name is in the departments table, and department number is the key. Now you'll notice down here in employees, we also have department number. So it's the key here, and it's a foreign key down here. So we can relate our tables based on that. So what we want for this list of employees is the departments they are working in. So we're going to modify this just a little bit, and we're going to do an inner join. So you can key in join or inner join. And it's going to be adding in departments. Helps if you spell it right. Okay, so we are going to be joining departments and employees. So we've got join departments on departments dot department number equals employees dot department number. Let's get rid of the semicolon there. So this is going to join the departments to employees, and that will allow us to display the department name. So let's run this again. And now we have our list of employees, and we also have the department that they belong to. So at this point, we are done. So we're going to save our changes, and we'll move that little comment down.